Guys, we're here at the Grimaldi Chocolate Factory. Are you excited? Yay! We get to see the chocolate making process from bean to packaging. So what do you think about that, Juliana?
Delicious.
Delicious, I agree. Anybody else?
Heaven.
Heaven. We can't wait to see.
Sugar to it, try to sweeten it off. They add some nut oils to it, try to change that bitter flavor. Well, the biggest accident they did was the 1700s was they added milk. Great accident. By adding milk, not only did we create milk chocolate, but we also made chocolate affordable for all the classes of Europe. So now everybody can afford to buy chocolate because there's less cocoa in it. And it's got this smoother, creamier taste to it. Now, at the end of the 1700s, when chocolate spread all the way across Europe, it came over to the U.S. So we let Europe pretty much figure out what to do with this stuff, and then they gave it to us so that we could love it. Here in the U.S., we absolutely love chocolate. Milk chocolate is the primary favorite of the U.S.
Yum. Doesn't that look yummy? No touching. My God, we just came from the chocolate factory! Woo! Daddy, did you like that?
Oh man, I loved it. That was awesome.
So, what did you like the most about it, Ninja Princess?
We got samples of
Yes.
chocolate and caramel.
Samples. Oh, wasn't that caramel delicious? What about you, Social Butterfly?
Learning how the chocolate's made.
Learning how chocolate's made. And Thunderbolt?
Being surrounded by chocolate. Oh, and by the way, after I eat chocolate, I like a good healthy snack.
What about Quiet Storm in the back?
Dip stuff into chocolate.
Dipping stuff into chocolate. Oh my gosh, my favorite were the chips in chocolate. And Brain? All the machinery. You like the way to see how things are work, or how things work. What about Boss? What's your favorite part?
I was imagining chocolate.
You were imagining chocolate people? Oh, okay. Cool. Well, as you can see, moms and dads, they are eating fresh fruits and vegetables right now after leaving the chocolate factory because we're on our way to the dentist. Yay! Very exciting. Then we'll eat our chocolate samples when we're done. Bye.